Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. The US and China are swiftly advancing AI-driven drones, vehicles, and surveillance systems to gain an advantage in autonomous warfare capabilities, as outlined in a Wall Street Journal report. Approximately one-third of military AI contracts in both nations are allocated for intelligent and self-governing vehicles. The investment in military AI research and development by each country is estimated to be in the billions. Notably, the ongoing conflict in Ukraine is serving as a significant testing ground for AI-powered drone technology. Additionally, AI-based image analysis for reconnaissance and surveillance is gaining traction. This escalating AI arms race underscores the need for oversight and collaboration to avert potential disasters, raising questions about the readiness for warfare predominantly led by artificial intelligence. India is set to introduce voice-based and offline digital payment methods to bridge the rural-urban digital divide and bolster its expanding digital infrastructure. The growth of the Universal Payments Interface is crucial for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mission to connect India digitally. UPI, launched in 2016, has gained traction with around 350 million users making instant transactions, but its reach in rural areas is limited by internet access and literacy. To address this, the Reserve Bank of India proposed AI-driven voice-initiated payments and offline transactions using near-field communication technology. These additions aim to extend digital payments to underserved regions and will launch initially in Hindi and English. Dilip Aspi, head of the National Payments Corporation of India, highlighted their potential to increase outreach and utility beyond major cities.
If you are an active UPI app user, we have some news for you. This is going to ensure that you take note of this. The UPI app is all set to get a major upgrade, which will introduce several new features. To begin with, India's very own digital payments platform will allow users to speak to an AI-powered chatbot to conduct transactions. Initially, people can converse in Hindi and English, but more languages are likely to be added soon. This feature is likely to boost financial inclusion in India, as more and more people can easily use the app for transactions. Soon, users may also be able to transact more. Currently, the transaction limit for UPI Lite will rise to Rs 500 from Rs 200 in the offline mode. UPI Lite does not require two-factor authentication and enables faster small value payments. Lastly, users may also be able to do offline UPI payments using short-range wireless technology. This innovation is expected to make payments easier, as users will only have to tap their phone on the point-of-sale machine now.
A Chinese firm has successfully launched the Wonder Journey 1A satellite, featuring advanced onboard artificial intelligence known as the String Edge AI platform. Developed by Star.Vision, the satellite's AI core, called String, enables real-time data observation and processing, eliminating the need to transmit information to a ground control center for analysis. WJ-1A aims to perform tasks ranging from environmental monitoring to dynamic object tracking, and its capabilities could assist in emergencies like landslides and typhoons. The satellite's processing unit processes 80 trillion operations per second and aims to reach over 100 TOPS by year-end. Star.Vision plans to expand the satellite constellation to 20 by 2024. A lawsuit seeking copyright protection for art produced solely by AI systems has been dismissed by a federal judge, reaffirming the requirement for human involvement in creative works. Stephen Thaler's attempt to copyright an artwork from his AI system, the Creativity Machine, was rejected by the US Copyright Office, prompting the lawsuit. The judge's ruling emphasized that copyright law historically doesn't cover technology operating without any human guidance. This decision underscores the necessity of human creativity and choices in creative processes, highlighting the evolving boundary between AI and human creation. Despite AI advancing creativity, the question of granting AI copyright privileges remains unresolved. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.